You wake up every morning thinking the problem is money. Not enough of it, not fast enough, not consistent enough. So you work harder, longer hours, more effort, more stress. And somehow, nothing really changes because the problem was never money. It was the system you were operating in, and no one told you that. Getting rich isn't luck. It's not talent either. It's a pattern, a system most people never see. You were taught to trade time for money, that your income equals your effort. But that model has a ceiling. Time doesn't scale. Effort doesn't scale. But systems do. The wealthy don't chase income. They build mechanisms that generate it, even when they're not there. Assets, leverage, distribution. That's the real game. And most people aren't even playing it. If you're not building systems, you're funding someone else's, whether you realize it or not. Here's the truth most people avoid. Hard work isn't the advantage. It's the trap. Because it resets you back to zero every single day. No compounding, no momentum, just repetition disguised as progress. The shift happens when you stop asking, "How do I make money today?" and start asking something else. What can I build today that pays me tomorrow, and the next day, and the next? That's the science. Cause and effect. Input and output. Wealth isn't created in moments. It's created in systems that outlive your time. But there's another layer. Your thinking. Not motivation, structure. If you believe money is scarce, you hesitate. You play safe. You avoid risk. And that behavior guarantees the outcome you fear. But when you understand this, money doesn't come from effort. It comes from value. And value scales. You solve problems once and distribute solutions infinitely. A product, a system, a piece of content, something that works while you don't. That's the shift. The world doesn't reward effort. It rewards scale and impact. That's why one person works 12 hours a day and stays stuck, while another builds something once and earns globally. It's not fair. It's not equal. But it is predictable. And that's what makes it a science. Not luck. Not chance. Just patterns most people ignore. So as long as your income depends on time, you'll always be behind the people building systems. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. So ask yourself, are you working for money or making money work for you? If this shifted your perspective, drop a comment. Subscribe for more. See you in the next.